quick rundown of how to look at your results for the positioning survey. I'm sure that most of you have created and done averages before, but you'll notice what you have is the two dimension preferences. This is where you're saying, dimensions on how important they are to the person. Okay, and I've got my two responses here. You'll probably have 4, 5, etc. And then you've got each of the brands, the perceptions of each of the brands on those particular dimensions. Now you'll probably have dimension 2 here as well. So to do an average, it's actually really simple. You just need to go to your pop below, go to your formulas up here and create the data range, enter, and then pull that across and you'll get the averages for each of those. And then what you can do is easily just plot each of these on the positioning map, as well as plot your own specific so I would do it for each member separately. So you'd put this Claire 1 as number -3, -2 position on the map, and the Claire 2 on 1 and 2. So that's it.